Well, good morning all. It's time for some breakfast on the Firebox. Unfortunately, I'm not out in the woods today. I'm just on my back porch, but this will have to do. So let's make some coffee first. So I keep my Firebox in the 8-panel configuration. I find it to be the most versatile that way. So for coffee this morning, I think I'll use this configuration. Don't know what to call it. Double triangle maybe? And I'll use my homemade alcohol burner just to boil some water for coffee. So of course we use the heat gas line antifreeze for fuel. Most of the time I'll use just one of these cheapo Amazon gas burners on an isobutane bottle. I think today I'll just keep it simple. Sometimes I'll even use the wood flame burner from Firebox, which works beautifully. So while that's going, I just picked this up off of Amazon. This is the GSI coffee grinder. I wore out my old grinder, one of those, again, cheap ones from Amazon. Get what you pay for. I wore it out pretty quick. This thing seems to be pretty cool, so we'll see. Well, today I'll use my home roast beans. If you haven't seen my video on home roasting, you need to check it out. Oop. So far so good on this grinder. It seems to do a really good job. In the interest of keeping it simple again, I'm just going to use my GSI clip-on filter. These things work really well. There we go. You know. If you know, you know. Cheers. All right, breakfast time. Let's change the configuration. So once again, I keep it in the 8-panel configuration. It allows you to do multiple other configurations, including, believe it or not, just the single square. Like so. And if you want to keep it all together, you can put a Put a clip on it or two. I'm going to use the wood burner from Firebox today, I think. I'll feed a couple of sticks in. Then feed the line through. Click it in place. Just like that. Works like a charm. I think I'll use just regular butane today with an adapter. One more. I think I'll use the ring today, get a little more even heat. God, I love these spatulas. They break down so nice and small, packable. Very nice. I think today, lemon pepper. Haven't tried that before. Let's see how it is. It's good coffee. I've got the home roasting down to a science. Firebox Freestyle. You gotta love it. I've used many cook systems in my life, and I don't know how it gets too much better than the Firebox. So good. Even better when it's cooked outside. I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. I really like cooking breakfast outside, hearing the birds chirp. Cooking on the Firebox. Hope everyone has a great day. Take care. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this as much as I did. Help me build this channel.